All right, revised drawings for utility room. Trash in this tall door. It actually works if we just flip these. Um, make this 33 deep. I need to take 7 inches off this cabinet up here, which means zero room for a cabinet. So it's just a blank panel. This is 36 and a quarter from the corner. Elevation view of this thing. That cabinet right there is 82 inches off the floor. So an inch of clearance, and it's only 3 inches tall. So it'll just be literally a blank panel. This leg here, 33, and this cabinet here is 32 and a quarter, but add the doors and it's 33. Trash, and like I said, we can just flip flop those doors. Adjustable shelves, trash. Let me know if that works. Thanks.